Google is throwing its big hardware party on August 12th, and the rumor mill is spinning out of control. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. Google is ready to unveil the fresh Pixel 11 series alongside the Pixel Watch 5. But you take out your wallet to check out and know that they're not cheap. Well, the actual phone design isn't changing much at all, as the Pixel 11 Pro, Pro XL, and Pro Fold will look practically identical to last year's models. But the same design doesn't mean same color, as Google's bringing colors like Fuchsia, Moss, Pine, and Dune. To make things even flashier, rumors say there's a light strip called Pixel Glow that'll sit near the camera bar, blinking in cool patterns whenever you chat with Gemini AI or get face-down alerts. Under the hood, Google's dropping in a brand new Tensor G6 chip built on ultra-tiny technology. That means your phone should stay cooler, run faster, and last longer on a single charge. Cameras are getting a boost too, with a crisp 50-megapixel main lens leading the charge for all your stunning late-night selfies. Now here's the part that'll hurt. Thanks to soaring memory costs, Google's no longer offering the cheapest 128GB options. Starting at 256GB means you get more storage, but you will be forced to pay a hefty extra $100 just to get through the door. Meanwhile, the Pixel Watch 5 is coming in 4 glamorous metallic shades running smooth new software. But just like the phone, the watches will come with a higher price tag starting at $399. So are these tiny changes worth your hard-earned cash? Or is Google asking far too much money for a simple makeover? For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.